Come to this place as well. So cartoon from my time, like away from people. A popular spot here. Alright, let's continue. Guys, welcome to the channel. Another video of Vic Moreno trips. Now we are back here in Thailand and we came to this beautiful temple. Really popular, guys. You have no idea. It got so busy even just before 8 a.m. So if you're planning to come to this place, I really recommend for you guys to come really early. We left home about 6:30. It took us about 1 hour and 20-minute drive outside Bangkok. It's really nice drive, guys. It's just things to see along the side of the road, you know, but this place is so popular that you guys need to come really early. So we're gonna show you around this place. I may be able to fly the drone to get a better picture from the sky. Anyway, guys, so we are here. This is a Hindu and there is a Thai temple as well. Hindu and what is the Buddhism? I always forget Buddhist and Hindu. But anyways, a lot of Thai people come to this place as well, because there is a Thai temple right on my next to the parking lot over there, guys, on my left side. But anyway, guys, let's go explore this place and I'm gonna show you around how beautiful this place looks. Let's go. It's really nice, huh? I didn't think it would be like this. A lot of shops, a lot of shops in the morning. It's like a market. So guys, so this is the god Ganesha. This is a Hindu god. But a lot of Thai people come to this place as well. So look at this. I'm gonna try to see if I could really fly the drone a little bit, just to get a better view. But it's alongside this river over here, guys. So it's really nice, clean place. Besides all they have lots of gods here on this temple. They have a lot of characters as well, like from cartoon from my time, Dragon Ball Z. Look at this guy. And they have a lot of Marvel's characters as well, DC, Transformers. They have a lot of statues of Goku from Dragon Ball Z. A nice place to spend your time here. So it's a big property, guys. It's not a small property. You see, like Goku when he was little. Transformers, Spider-Man, they have a lot of statues of Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, Iron Man. You see right there, just to take a lot of pictures, guys, lots of pictures. Besides that, there is a lot of food. All this, I'm gonna show you the street where once you enter to this place, there is a street full of vendors and restaurants alongside the river here. You see that side over there as well. So it's very I really recommend for you guys to come to this place. Besides a lot of food, a lot of temples, you know, there's a lot of things to see here. I don't know a lot about the names of these gods, guys, for the Hindu and Buddhist temple here. But I will find the fact and then I'll put it on the video, like I did on the last video on Malaysian, the 4 temples, some Chinese temples in Malaysia. I'm gonna do the same thing here because, you know, when I was looking for a place to drive outside Bangkok, because, you know, we just got back to to Bangkok, and I just want to drive, guys. I like to drive my car, and we found this place. And it really caught my attention because it has a lot of characters, you know, like a god, statue, dragons, you know. And it seems like they have tours as well. I can see the boats with life jacket. But anyway, guys, so this is how it looks. I'm trying to see if I can fly the drone. I want to go like away from people, so I don't have any problem. I see if I can find someone that I can ask for permission. Alright guys, so I was able to fly the drone just for a little bit. Unfortunately the signal is not very strong for some reason between the cell phone, you know, and the drone. It kept cutting up, and so I was kind of, you know, scared of losing the drone, falling into the river. But anyway guys, so I got some images and then I'm showing you right now the street where it's full of food right now guys. It's a lot of people already, and I'm just taking you for a walk here on this little street where they sell a lot of food. Look at this corn, 30 baht, which is less than $1, about $1 each corn. Anyways, this is the main street to enter to the temple, and it goes back to probably, let's say, maybe 500 meters, 300 meters away from the main entrance, where you see all these shops here. So if you are coming to this place guys, I really recommend it. There's a lot of food, a lot of drink, a lot of souvenirs, a lot of bread here. But anyways, there is a lot of things for you guys to do, especially if you have kids, you know. If you have kids, you know, they're gonna have fun. If I have fun, the kids will have fun. I love those characters, cartoon characters, you know. DC, Marvel, I don't know, a lot of Japanese characters as well. So it's very nice, guys. It's really, the parking lot, they have parking lot is free. Those banana food is really delicious. So, and then the coconut, of course. So guys, I'm not gonna walk all the way to the end, but you can see over there the main entrance where all the shops start to show. That big building over there is full of shops inside. That's what I saw when I was driving in. Another thing that I noticed, guys, they have a lot of farms, like shrimp farms, fish farms here, especially behind this temple, the Thai temple. There are a shrimp farm, but along the way, all the way driving from Bangkok, there's a lot of farms, you know. I think mainly this is what a lot of Thai people do, you know. They do have create those farms for fish and then shrimp, and that's what they do. Look at that, they're drying on the sun. Look at all this type of fish drying from the sun because it's hot. So it's really nice, guys. That's what we used to do. I remember when I was little, dry the fish under the sun, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this coconut. It seems like they cook it, and then I don't know, it may have a different flavor. I'm gonna try one just for curiosity. I'm very curious about trying this coconut, so I'm gonna get one. Only 20 baht. It's like, I don't know, 80 cents, 70 cents US dollars. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one, guys. I'm gonna ask somebody to open it for me. They have a big knife right there, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. But I'll ask him. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Thank you. Oh, he just hit it, and then until it breaks. Oh, it's kind of like just cutting on the top. Pretty much, it's just like hidden. Oh, thank you, thank you. That's how it's easy for him, you know. It's like a little trick. Anyways, really delicious. Let's see. It tastes a little bit different because it's cooked, so it has like a salty flavor, a little bit. Just try it.
Yeah.
Totally different, but it's cold. It's really hot right now, so it's worth it. All right, let's continue walking. This statue, the Ganesha God, is very popular. I think that's the main attraction from this place. People come and take a picture of this, which we're gonna do too, Corazon. Look at this place, guys. This is another popular spot here on this temple or this property. It's the flower. So we're gonna go walk over there. There's a lot of fish right there. That's some type of carp, I think. But they're kind of like white and like a zebra. This is like totally different view from here, guys. The opposite side from the big statues over there. Really nice. By the way, guys, this place is free to enter, to come over here or to visit all these places. You know, they're free, and even the parking lot is free. Yeah, this is like a flower, right? What do you call it? That flower? Lotus flower. Yeah. Now, I do remember it's like a lotus flower. Yeah, they made it look like a lotus. So it's pretty nice. Green in the middle and yellow. Alright, now you see Goku is everywhere. It's the powerful, so powerful Goku. Anyways, we're gonna go to the temple there just to see if we are able to get some videos there. Okay, we're gonna take a look. Okay, look at this, guys. Pikachu Spider-Man. And a Filipino. Even Filipinos are here.
Daddy.
Master Josie and Goku. Anyway, guys, so far it has been really nice to be here visiting this place. We have been walking around. What time is it right now? Right now it's 9:22 a.m. It's really hot. So a lot of people, and pretty much everything is open now. So you can start buying food, drinks, you know. Before 8 a.m. we got here before 8 a.m. and Amazon was already open. That's the coffee shop in my background. So they were already open, so if you get here before that time, you will be able to get some coffee. Look at this character. Maybe a protector from the elephant. Ganesha. Anyway, so like I said, this is the main attraction over here. And of course the flower, the lotus flower that we just went. But this is the one that most people are coming to visit, and this is where they go and pray as well. So it's pretty nice, guys. It's pretty nice to get out from Bangkok and visit these places over here. Look, guys, if you notice, like that guy right there, he's whispering into the ear of that I don't know if it is asking for a wish or something. Not really sure, guys, but if you do, let me know in the comments below. But it's just curious, you know, like how things work here or how people believe, you know. We have the dragon. Oh no, this is a cobra. Yeah, that is a cobra. Like what is featured here. Oh guys, you won't believe this. Watch this. Turtle Ninja. Isn't that cool? And Captain America. It's all made of metal, guys. Pieces of cars part. See, we had the what is this? Like clutch? Cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish the video here at this little spot, really beautiful. Anyway guys, so I really recommend for you guys to come and visit this place if you feel curious how all places here outside Bangkok. It's not really far, and there's a lot of things that you can do here. I mean, places to see, a lot of pictures, you know. It's a temple, so yeah, it's mostly taking pictures, eat. There's a lot of food, a lot of vendors here, and yes, I think a really nice place to for you guys to come. It's really hot, so there's a lot of drinks over here, guys. So I really recommend it, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace. Also, if you're feeling lucky, you can buy the lottery tickets over here.